What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today a viewer asked me, should I sell my vehicle now? Let's get into it. So what is going on, guys? This question was asked, should I sell my vehicle now? And the answer is yeah. Used vehicles are going up drastically in price. They are increasing due to the shortage of newer vehicles. Now, doing some research of why there is a shortage of newer vehicles is because of the computer chip shortage. Now, there are shortages of computers. For those of you guys who don't know what computers have to do with cars, basically every newer car has computers in them. They run everything from air to fuel ratios to, safety features to entertainment features. Everything in the car is controlled by hundreds of computers, and they all link together. Now, being a shortage of the chip, they're not being able to produce vehicles, so that is leading them to a shortage. Now, dealers and outside vendors are trying to get used cars from people because that's all that they can sell right now, and because of that demand, the price is going up. So if you are thinking of selling your used vehicle, definitely do it in this economy now, how it is. You will get so much more for it. I would recommend you selling it in an outside, like on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, something like that, by yourself. Clean it up, vacuum it up, make it look nice and presentable, because you actually do get more money when it looks presentable. If you have something that there's trash all over the place, it looks like it needs to be cleaned up, you're gonna get offered the lowest that you can for it. So make sure you clean it up. Take some nice pictures, preferably during daytime, no nighttime pictures. Take very detailed pictures of the front, the sides, the rear, the inside, under the hood, everything. Let people know what they're coming for, and put in the description everything there. Don't let someone come with surprises, because people are not gonna trust you once they see things that you didn't state or you didn't tell them about. So, be honest with what you're putting out there and sell it by yourself. You'll get so much more money. If you go to a dealership, obviously they're gonna lowball you a little bit so they can get that profit, and that's understandable. It's a business that they're running. So it's better off that you actually do it yourself. You will get the best bang for your buck, and you can look for a better deal or keep that money if you don't need a vehicle at the moment. Now, a lot of people are working from home, and a lot of people decided to sell their vehicles because they don't plan on going back to work. They plan on working remotely. So that also is something else that makes sense. If you don't need the vehicle, why have the extra, expense? Why have the extra insurance to hold on to? Why? You don't need that. Get rid of it and keep going. If you have more than one vehicle and you don't need it, get rid of it. It's simple as that. Don't keep things that are gonna just cause you expenses. Get rid of it, get your money what it's worth, especially now, because when things come back normal, if it ever does, I don't know, but when things come back, eventually the shortage on the chips will be over with, I'm sure of, and newer cars will be coming. But when all that's over with, the used car value is probably going to go back to where it was. So take advantage of it now. Definitely do it, and that's my 2 cents. So with that being said, guys, peace out. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like. And also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Peace.